Hey guys, welcome back Serial A to Z. Guys, if awkwardness were an Olympic sport, Sheldon Cooper would have more gold medals than Michelle Phillips. Today, we are talking about the sitcom that somehow made nerd culture cool, The Big Bang Theory. This show has science, sarcasm, awkward romance, and one human being who operates more like an overcomplicated operating system than an actual person. Sheldon Cooper. One of the biggest reasons this show works so well is the chemistry between the characters. Take Leonard and Penny for example. Leonard wants to ask her to dinner, but instead of sounding like a normal human being, he turns, turns it into a math problems. They might all be there or a subset of them might be there. Bro was not inviting her to dinner, he was defending a thesis. Sheldon segment. Now Sheldon segment, but the real choice generator here is Sheldon. The, there are this moment is the car where Penny is just driving normally and Sheldon starts calculating their deaths in real time. By the time we come to a stop, we will be occupying the same space as that week. Regular people say, hey, so down. Sheldon basically says, according to physics, we are all doomed. We are all doomed. Grocery store scene tells me about grocery store scene. The grocery store scene is comedy perfection. Grocery scene comedy perfection. Penny just trying to shop in peace while Sheldon critiques literally everything scientifically. She she grabs multivitamins and Sheldon hits her with, what you are buying here are the ingredi- ingredients for every expensive urine. Imagine getting roasted by biology while buying buying vitamins. Raj and alcohol comedy. So tell us about Raj and alcohol comedy. And then there is Raj, one of the funniest running jokes in the series. The guy spends half the show unable to talk to woman, but after a couple drinks, suddenly he turns into a Bollywood lounge singer. Hello Penny, how are you? Hello Penny, how are you tonight? That voice sounded like a cat trying autotune for the first time. Autotune for the first time. Now, emotional balance. Emotional balance today. What makes the Big Bang Theory especially is that it is not just funny, it actually has heart. Leonard's story about never really having birthday parties because his parents only celebrated achievements. That's honestly kind of sad. But somehow the show balances emotional moments and comedy without making either feel forced. Sheldon gift theory. And honestly, Sheldon gift giving theory is hilarious because weirdly enough it almost makes sense. You give me $15, I give you $50 until one of us dies. I mean, with inflation these days, he may actually be on to something. Leonard and Penny relationship. The relationship between Leonard and Penny is awkward, messy, and honestly pretty realistic. When Leonard finally asks her out, what what about if you went out with me? You can feel how nervous he is, and that's what makes the scene work so well. It's funny, but it's also genuine. Why the show works at its co- core, the Big Bang Theory is not really about science. It's about friendship, loneliness, social awkwardness, and people trying to connect with each other despite being completely weird. Every character is flawed, and that's exactly why they are related. Real clever table. Final verdict: if you like smart comedy, awkward humor, lovable, weird, and characters that somehow become your comfort people, the Big Bang Theory is absolutely worth watching, and Sheldon Cooper easily one of the most iconic sitcom character ever created. Benjinga is not just a catchphrase anymore, it's part of pop culture history. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments who's your favorite character from the Big Bang Theory. Sheldon, Leonard, Raj, Howard, Penny. Thanks for watching, and remember, Benjinga, like and subscribe the video, and meet next video. Thank you.